It's all about lifestyle when you're building a Lauren Homes in Southwest Florida. So today we're going to talk a little bit about outdoor kitchens. We're on a beautiful lanai space, and what you'll notice for most people that are building a home in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers area, is they want to be outside. They want to be enjoying the sun, their pool area, their hot tub. This home that we built has a gigantic outdoor living space. It's all under truss, so you could have couches, tables, have plenty of room to entertain, and if it does decide to rain in the afternoon time, you have a spot to get out of the sun. So one of the things too when you're building a new home that a lot of people talk about is the outdoor kitchen and the outdoor kitchen space. How are they going to be grilling, cooking, and so forth? It's really part of the lifestyle of entertaining when you have guests and family over. You don't always have to build an outdoor kitchen with the new home. A lot of our clients, what they like to do is get it set up for the future. So what we'll do is we'll end up putting in the electric and the plumbing and getting everything ready for a future kitchen. We could have it drawn out, but maybe it's not in the budget, or maybe they want to have their furniture set up and see how they like to live on the outdoor space before building the outdoor kitchen. So what we have done on this project is we have it all set up. It's going to be They've already thought out what they would like. They're going to probably be putting it in down the road. They could call us back up. We could come back out and help them put this outdoor kitchen in. But we have set up areas for the TV. We also have areas for sink. There's going to be an ice maker outside, also a hood grill area. And we have it set up to be vented to the outside of the home. So if they're cooking out here in the smoke, we can get it on the outside. And we take our clients through the design process where they can work with Lauren at Lauren Homes. And what we'll do is we'll say, what type of appliances do you want? What type of grilling do you like to do? Do you use a smoker? And because of our experience with the homes that we build and the clients that we're dealing with, we'll tell you our honest opinion, what we think is going to work well, because we want you to enjoy your new Lauren home. We want you to be outside, living the Florida lifestyle, and really be happy in the space that we create for you. My name is FredPrice, and I would love you to subscribe to this channel. I made this channel for people that are thinking about building, that are interested in construction, that want to hear an honest opinion about what I should do, some questions to ask my home builder, some things I could look for in new homes. So I think there's a lot of valuable information from the videos I put together. I build in Cape Coral, Southwest Florida. If you're down here, I'd love to earn your business. Please subscribe to my channel and like this page.